Good evening, viewers, and welcome once again to the home of beautiful cars. I'm Mr. TCB, and I've got a magnificent Mercedes 1974 Australian delivered 280 CE in world-class, collector-grade, museum quality condition. A magnificent 114 Coupe designed by the legendary Paul Bracq. With incredible provenance, this car is absolutely like brand new. It's a two-owner vehicle. Every service receipt documented in a magnificent dossier, complete books, original sticker on the back delivered by 3 Point Motors, only at the home of beautiful cars, an incredible world-class collectible, like brand new. Under $60,000, finance arranged, Australia-wide delivery. It was also recently inspected by Mr. J. Patel, the expert at Cavallo, and declared that this car is like brand new. Don't miss out on this world-class collectible.